Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook and iPhone. If you don't like using the Meta AI or maybe for any other reason you want to get rid of it in your iPhone, then I'll show you how easily it could be possible. So first you have to open up your Facebook account and then you will be on to home page. Now you have to click onto this search icon which is on the top right. Once you click onto that search icon, then you have to search for Meta AI. You may get there. If you can't find it, you can simply search for it and then again click onto this Meta AI option, and after that the chat will open of Meta AI. Within the Meta AI chat, you will notice that eye icon on the top right corner of this chat. You have to click onto this I1 and you will get to this page. Now here on the top you can see this icon of mute. You have to click onto it and you have to choose until I change it, and you have to mute it, and now it will not bother you. But still, if you find it irritating or it doesn't go, then you can see this option something went wrong. You have to click onto it and submit a report against the Meta AI like you don't want it. So just simply click on something went wrong, and after that you have to submit a report. First you can click onto this option dot include, and after that there are different options. You can scroll down and click onto this option other, which you will find at the bottom. And now you have to simply explain your whole scenario that you don't want a Meta AI. If you have any specific issue with that, you can mention it up. And if you see there's any attachment that like a screenshot, you can delete it and just simply submit it. If you have something else to submit with that, like write something else, you can do it, and after that your report will be submitted. Then the team of Facebook will review your report, and after that they will remove the Meta AI from your Facebook. So that's how you can turn off Meta AI on Facebook and iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.